Hello friends, I am Dr. Chandrakala Patil, consultant obstetrician gynecologist at Cloud9 Hospital, Kalyani Nagar. Today we will be sharing little but very important information about the different blood tests that we advise in each of the trimester. We divide the whole 9 months into 3 trimester. First 3 months first trimester, second 3 months second trimester, last 3 months third trimester. So what are the tests that we advise in the first trimester? These are beta HCG, complete blood count, blood group, urine analysis, sugar value, vitamin D, vitamin B12 level, serological test, thyroid profile, rubella test, and at the end of the first trimester, screening test, that is a double marker with the NT scan. Now, few of the tests like complete blood count, urine analysis, and the sugar value, we advise in the second and the third trimester also, depending upon the risk factor and the history of the mother. Now, each and every test has its own importance. Like the beta HCG, we advise to confirm the pregnancy and also to rule out whether it is ectopic, healthy or unhealthy pregnancy. Now, second is a complete blood count, which shows your hemoglobin level, whether the mother is anemic or not, whether we can cover this anemia with the medications or injections required, or the treatment required, which includes a blood transfusion. And also the WBC count, which shows your disease fighting capacity, and the important platelet counts, which shows your blood clotting capacity, which is very important at the time of delivery. Now, rubella test is important to be done in the first trimester, as this infection is very detrimental to the fetus because it can cause abortion and the different chromosomal anomalies to the baby. Now, vitamin D and vitamin B12 values are very important for the healthy growth of the baby and also the well-being of the mother throughout the 9 months. And the sugar values, just to rule out the gestational diabetes in the pregnancy. If the mother has a history, family history of diabetes, then these values are to be repeated. Now, serological tests includes HIV, HBS, anti-HCV, and the sexually transmitted disease, that is VDRL. Now, once a female becomes pregnant, we do the serological test, and as per the WHO, the window period for these tests are 3 months. But we repeat this test after 3 months if the female require any surgery or any hospital admission is required, or at the time of delivery. Now, if the mother is having any high risk factor like pregnancy-induced hypertension or diabetes, gestational diabetes mellitus, then the sugar values or LFT and the KFTs are to be repeated during the second trimester and the third trimester also. Now, if the double marker is missed during the first trimester, then we might advise you the triple marker, quadruple marker, or NIPT, which is important to rule out the chromosomal anomaly to the growing baby. Now, in the third trimester, we repeat the complete blood count just because to rule out the severe anemia, because sometimes the hemoglobin drop to significant lower level during the third trimester, and also to rule out the UTI, that is urinary tract infection, because urine infection can cause the preterm labor. So this is very important for the every mother to do each and every test in the each of the trimester. Now, you should meet your gynecologist so that all these tests are done particularly, and the risk factor can be detected and the complication is avoided. So I hope all of my friends must have got this session very informative. So I congratulate to all of my friends, would-be mother who have conceived or who are in middle of the first, second or the third trimester, and I wish you happy and safe ANC journey. Thank you so much.